Dear candidate, we are looking for intelligent software developers with 6 months to 4 years of experience in ASP.NET MVC, C#, SQL and Angular technologies. The job description. 1. Thorough understanding of .NET Framework. 2. Develop, design, test, maintain and support custom web applications in .NET Framework. 3. Collect the software requirement and develop the application as per detailing. 4. Design and develop the activities and procedures related to development needs. 5. Write quality code to meet business requirements. 6. Develop technical interfaces, specifications and architecture. 7. Develop client displays and user interfaces. 8. Develop and test software prototypes. 9. Coordinate with the internal development and support team. 10. Day-to-day application support activities. Working days, Monday to Friday, Saturday to Sunday fixed off, working hours, 9:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. Salary is not a constraint for the right candidate. Company details. All companies in all industries have 7 major departments in which all employees work. These are: 1. The top management, consisting of the directors and top employees managing the overall functions of the business. It decides the vision focus of the company and is responsible to run the company profitably and to ensure that all the departments are doing their jobs professionally and such work is monitored. 2. The software development or production department, which is responsible for designing, developing and frequently upgrading the product or service that the company offers based on the customer feedbacks and market demands. 3. The marketing department, which has to attract inquiries for the company's product and services by creating a good website and by doing email marketing, print or social media advertising. 4. The sales department, which has to quickly follow up with the inquiries received by emailing product details, giving demonstrations of the product and services, followed by sending quotations to the interested prospects and vigorously following up with them to pick up the orders and convert them into customers. 5. Once the purchase order is received, the project or support department has to start the software implementation process and answers the client's queries and give training so that they can start using the software rapidly. 6. Once the order is received, the accounts department has to email the tax invoices as per the agreed schedule and follow up with the client to pay the outstanding within a month. 7. Finally, recruiting, retaining, training and motivating the best talent to perform at their best and doing performance management is the job of the Human Resources Department. The HRD has to also do payroll processing and ensure PF, ES, IC and TDS are paid in time and do various employee retention activities. Out of the above 7 departments, since 1999, HRMantra has dedicated itself into human resources and payroll software development. Now that we have nearly automated most of the requirements of the HRD using our new latest Angular Technologies product, we also plan to finish developing the sales, project and accounts department's automation requirements to convert HRMantra into a full-fledged business app. We are proudly self-funded and profitable from day one. Our team is highly experienced and we are fully automated. We have the best of brands using the HRMantra software. During the last 20 years we have developed a very comprehensive HR software. Everyone's work targets are clearly defined. We assure rapid growth for best performers. We do not discriminate anyone on any parameter and have strong integrity and ethical standards. We plan to launch our public issue in a couple of years and will be giving shares for hard-working long-term committed employees. We have kept a target of crossing 10,000 crore revenues by March 2030 and need the best talent to achieve the same. Software Development Department recruiting process. First is the online test, second, technical interview, third, final round, fourth, documentation, and the last, processing the offer letter. First is the online test. In this section there will be two tests. First will be logical test and second will be the technical test. Logical test consisting of 50 questions to be answered in 30 minutes. Each right answer will give you 2 marks and minimum passing percentage is 60%, and that is you need to get at least 30 correct answers. None of the questions are mandatory. Technical test consists of 80 questions, 20 questions each from C#, SQL, Angular and ASP.NET MVC, to be answered within 40 minutes. Each right answer will give you 2 marks and there is no negative marking. Minimum passing marks is 50%, that is you need to get at least 25 correct answers. Each test can be given by the candidate as per their convenience, but there is no pause button once you click on the start button, and the test has to be completed 100%. In case you score less than 60%, then the HRD will intimate you that you have not cleared the test and hence unfortunately not eligible for the next technical round. If you score at least 60% in the logical test and minimum 50% in the aptitude, then the HRD will intimate you that you are now eligible for the next technical round of interview. Second is the technical interview with the team lead, where you have 45 minutes. The candidate will be interviewed based on the technical skills required for the profile: C#, SQL, Angular, ASP.NET MVC. Team leader will inform the HRD regarding the feedback of the candidate. In case you score less than our expectations, then the HRD will intimate you that unfortunately you are not eligible for the final round. In case you scored well in this round, then you will have to clear the final round of interview with the head of the software development department. Please note, the HRD will schedule the interview of the candidate based on the mutual availability of the interviewing panel and the candidate. Sometimes the interview may get cancelled due to some reasons, because of which it will be rescheduled for some other time and date. Third is the final round with the HOD, where you will get 1 hour. The candidate will be interviewed based on the technical skills required for the profile: C#, SQL, Angular, ASP.NET MVC. The candidate will be judged from the technologies used in their previous organization and about their projects. The HR will inform the candidates about the shortlisting of his profile for the position. In case you did not come up to our expectations, then the HRD will intimate the candidate about it. In case your final interview was good, the HRD will inform you about your selection for the profile and will ask you to submit all the relevant documents. Fourth is the documentation process. These are the following documents that need to be submitted within 2 working days. We need to see the salary slips for the last 3 months, relevant only for the experienced, the appointment letter issued by the current or last employer, relevant only for experienced candidates, increment or appraisal letter, if any, issued by the last employer. Fourth, Aadhaar card and 1 passport size color photo, and the last process of releasing the offer letter. Within 2 working days, the candidate's documents are forwarded to the management, who, after checking the same, works out the best job offer on email to the candidate, taking into consideration their current annual CTC and their relevant experience. Then the HRD emails the job offer to the candidate's email, and the candidate is also called up to give the good news about the mailed offer. Then you have to accept the offer within 7 days, or else the offer stand cancelled to offer it to the second best shortlisted candidate. Excited? So apply immediately and also refer your friends and colleagues. Thank you for your time.